I'm Troy Mussehl. I'm a sales engineer at AGParts Education. I've been here since 2006. I got offered a temporary position with a friend of mine's company, tearing down ATM machines, if you believe that. After the summer was done, I was offered a full-time position by the company and was offered a chance to go to school to learn electronics. That's how it really started for me. And eventually ended up getting hired as the technical manager for a repair department in Hudson, Wisconsin. I went into purchasing for a little bit, eventually went into account management to get into the sales engineer part of it, so that's where I am right now. I've been married to my wife, Lee, for 7 years. I have 2 kids, Cassie and Tony. Tony is going to school to be an electrical engineer at the UND, and Cassie's getting a biology degree at University of Mankato. What we like to do in our time off is camp. We do a lot of hiking on the North Shore of Lake Superior. It's our favorite place to go. To me, AGParts Education allows a life-work balance that is very beneficial nowadays. I just love the community service that we do and the outreach programs that we do. I was involved with going down and building a house in the Dominican Republic, and that was very emotional for me, actually. It changed the way I looked and viewed at things. It was a very special time for me. What I like about working for AGParts Education is the people. The people are great. They're like my second family.